So it's a great pleasure and a great honor to be here in Somaliland and to be here in the Parliament. I wanted to come to Somaliland because I think it is a wonderful example of achievement and success in a very important but very difficult region of the world, very important for the European Union as well. You know that this is the region that connects Europe to the rest of the world through the Suez Canal, the Red Sea, and then the Indian Ocean. And I think Somaliland gives an example of how you can build security, reconciliation with a democracy that is a good example. I think it's about time that the rest of the world starts to care more about Somaliland. I think it's about time that Somaliland gets the recognition that it deserves. I think if we are able to have a country that is recognized, that is successful, gives an example, is a role model to other countries in the region, it will help stabilize the region. So I think we have an opportunity to turn Somaliland into a model for countries around and neighbors, and for it to become an example, even more than it already is. So as far as I can, I want to support this idea and this project. Well, it is very impressive. You just had an election for president, which is a very competitive election, very open election, with new technology being used, iris recognition. And when you walk around the city, you also see a vibrant private sector, small businesses, small shops developing. The city is growing. It's becoming very difficult to drive around with all the traffic, all the cars. But I think that's an example. It's also a society that is very open, democratic, where people talk with freedom, where there's religious tolerance. So a really great example. We hear all these horrible stories about the Horn of Africa, and we have here a beautiful story that needs to be talked about more and needs to be rewarded. We have to reward success, and Somaliland is a story of success. Important, and that can be an example in a region that is very important for Europe. Europe is involved here, I think should be more involved, but questions of piracy, of religious extremism affect Europe very much, migration as well. So Europe cannot think that this part of the world is too far. It's not far at all. A lot of our trade, a lot of our energy sources come through this region. So it is important for Europe that it is stable. And when I look around, I see a country that is stable in the region. That country is Somalia.